The Midi-chlorians. These are microscopic, intelligent life forms that originated from the foundation of life in the center of the galaxy and ultimately resided within the cells of all living organisms, thereby forming a symbiotic relationship with their hosts. The Force spoke through the Midi-chlorians, allowing certain beings to use the Force if they were sensitive enough to its powers. In order to gauge an individual's potential in the Force, blood tests were used to estimate the number of Midi-chlorians within the subject's cells, known as the M count. Anakin Skywalker, the Chosen One, possessed the highest known count in galactic history, over 20,000 Midi-chlorians, surpassing the potential Grand Master, Yoda, and all Jedi. Midi-chlorians was a scientific name for a species of sentient and microscopic organisms that inhabited the cells of every life form. Their existence was integral to all the encompassing energy field known as the Force, connecting the living force to the cosmic force. By serving as the link between the two aspects of the Force, the Midi-chlorians made it possible to achieve immortality after death. With sufficient training and total immersion in the light side of the Force, the deceased could preserve their identity in the form of a Force spirit, becoming one with the Force. All energy from the living Force, from all things that have ever lived, feeds into the cosmic Force, binding everything and communicating to us through the Midi-chlorians. According to Darth Sidious, Darth Plagueis was a wise and powerful Sith Lord who possessed a rare ability to manipulate the Midi-chlorians to create life, an ability that extended to preserving life from death itself. Skywalker ultimately turned against the Jedi, becoming Sidious's Sith apprentice, Darth Vader, in the hope of gaining Plagueis' knowledge through his Sith master. Darth Plagueis believed that the secret to immortality lay in science, but his experiments, although encouraging, were incomplete. It is said that certain creatures are born with a higher awareness of the Force than humans. Their brains are different. They have more Midi-chlorians in their cells. Those with a higher number of Midi-chlorians were able to hear the will of the Force more clearly than others.